Today I'm looking for under 150,000 kwai, possibly an EV or highly energy efficient, easy to park, low maintenance. Doesn't get easier than that.
1 minute into the automobile section, I see obstacles in my ambitious plan.
Mercedez-Benz EQ, 800 kilometers on a full charge. Something tells me this is not within my budget.
Mercedes-Benz first electric luxury vehicle is the EQS, a streamlined beauty selling for more than $100,000 in other countries. And now checking out BMW's first EV model in China, the iX3. Test drive reservations are being booked.
这个车什么时候上市？
在这个月底的网络车展会公布价格。
那价格是？
预计会在90到100万。
Well, over to General Motors.
I've been in this Corvette for too many times in the past CIIEs, but this year I'm going to pass because, I mean, she is gorgeous, but she's $80,000 gorgeous. This new Hummer EV is a little too hardcore for my taste, this massive monster, but we'll see what they're too fast to say.
The baddest kid in the GM neighborhood. Range 560 kilometers, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds.
The vehicle's wheels can turn 10 degrees in the same direction, allowing the car to move diagonally and therefore being able to really circumvent difficult territory like big boulders or higher water. This car starts around $80,000 in the US.
Maybe I should steal this and build a house on top of it. That would cost nothing.
Damn.
Onto the value section.
Oh, great! I finally found 55,000 kwai. Very easy to park. The only problem, it only has half the wheels.
However, Honda's new electric vehicle line EN might be the ticket, though prices are still a secret.
The ENS1 you see here debuted at the Wuhan Auto Show and will hit the market next spring. It has a range of 500 kilometers.
This I can afford, right?
Volkswagen's ID3 runs 430 kilometers on a full battery and reached dealerships last month. After due research, I found a government subsidy exists for electric vehicles that cost less than 300,000 kwai. It is between 16,000 and 22,000 kwai based on the car's range. After that's been counted,
This is 160,000 kwai, but I guess I could sell something. I learned one thing today, and that is the CIIE is really a thing of the future. The whole concept of EV, it was relatively new when it was introduced at the first CIIE, and that was 4 years ago, and now it's all over the place.
a day of minor frustration, but the amount of people at every display, whether it's an inexpensive family car or luxury speedster, shows Chinese people are willing to spend and why automakers remain optimistic about this market. The CIIE continues until Wednesday at the National Exhibition and Convention Center. Sun Siqi, Shanghai Live.